Hi everyone. In this video, I'll be explaining the setup for Zobot and SalesIQ and to create the workflow using different functionalities and time cards available without the coding. And yes, that's right, without coding. So this will be a codeless Zobot. So let's navigate into SalesIQ. So here I have the live view of the SalesIQ platform in Zoho, where we can understand like how many clients or customers are interacting with our platform. That will be shown here. And then let's on this page you can see a settings options available on the top right hand side of the page. And on this page you can just click on bot. Here under bot we have Zobot, and then to create the Zobot from scratch we need to add another Zobot. So here on the right hand side you can see an add button. Click on add. So it will ask you a couple of questions. For example, the name of your bot. Let's name our bot as appointment scheduler. If I am not wrong. Yeah. So next, it's gonna be asking us the choose a platform. So we are choosing SalesIQ as our platform. There are multiple platforms available, such as third party, where we have Watson Assistant, Dialogflow, Azure Chatbot services, Webhook, and there are other vendor platforms available as well. So we're gonna be choosing right now SalesIQ platform. And in SalesIQ, it will ask you about which kind of chatbot you're going to be building, a codeless, a SalesIQ script, or ZS skills. So today we are building codeless bot. And then once we, oh, the name is gone. Let me just put it again. Scheduler. Click on next. Now we can just describe a little bit about our bot. So I am here writing this is an appointment scheduling chatbot. So next we'll choose our brand and the associated departments towards it. So we are selecting all departments for now. Then the languages in which the bot will be interacting with the customer. So I'm choosing it as English. Okay, just remove and add English. Then it will ask me about like the choose the bot working hours. So I've chosen like business hours, offline during business hours, and then online during business hours, and online during non-business hours, and offline during non-business hours. So now let's click on next to do some more configurations related to Zobot. So I'll choose my audience of the Zobot as all visitors, and then click on like when should the bot initiate the chat when the visitor lands on the site. Just 1 second, and then that's something I would choose. Response interval will be like 2 seconds or maybe immediate. Let's choose it at 2 seconds. Then chat inactivity, timeout sessions, and a couple of questions here and there. So restart the conversation, roll back to the previous message, and then we are here to create our codeless bot. So this is the screen for the workflow and everything else. So this I'll be covering on the next video. So stay tuned. Thank you so much.